sold this beautiful Covert today, a 2020 XLT right here at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. A beautiful Covert. We typically don't do a 33-inch aggressive stance on our lot vehicles that often. And in this video, we're going to watch a full-time review of this vehicle. We are just now releasing this video because this wheel is a brand new wheel from Moto Metal that they essentially gave us access to pre-release if we would do some things for them as far as images and production wise for their marketing standpoint. So we got it sold today, early February 2021, and without further ado, check out all the info on this beautiful Covert. The Moto Metal MO 807 22x10 -18. You're going to be seeing a lot more of it. This is a Willies and Akins Ford exclusive. Bring you today a brand new wheel from Moto Metal. We've got a great partnership with the Wheel Pros and all the wheel companies. And you'll see it here first, guys and gals. A very brand new wheel that is going to hit the market probably in about 60 days. So probably look that mid to late February, early March, you'll see this wheel out, but we've got it first. We've got it on a Covert edition right here at Akins. So let's get right to it. This is our latest Covert, leveled on 33.2. So I like to get technical and very specific because the details matter, y'all. So we've got a 2 1/4 inch ready lift level kit accommodating a 22x10 -18. Now what the heck does all of that mean? 22x10 -18. The negative 18 is the offset. That means that wheel from the center hub is pushed out -18 millimeters. Your factory wheel on this vehicle was a plus 42, so it's tucked in a lot more. So to accommodate this, we didn't run our normal 34-inch tall tire or bigger. We did a 33.2-inch tall tire. The 285 is 11.2 inches wide, so that's how we make this combo work on a very aggressive wheel setup. So love this wheel. When I saw this wheel initially, I was unsure what setup to run with. I didn't know. I was thinking kind of to go big, but I was like, let's just do a Covert and do it the right way with the nice tire to match it. So a very fitting wheel, and it looks great with this white. We also changed the side XLT badging with that black with the white background. That's a nice detail, we believe. And then let's check out our mild to wild scale. So our stance right here, we're not wild, but we're definitely not mild either. We're kind of right in that mid-level range. So it's a really good looking stance. Up front, we didn't do any custom paint work on this one. We wanted to just do it clean and simple, but we did paint the front and rear emblems black. So we took the blue and changed it to black just because that's just taking the blue out of the emblems is just a game changer as far as cleaning your truck up in general. Nothing wrong, Ford, with the blue. That's your tried and true. We know that, and we love the blue Ford emblem. We like doing a little custom setup here. So coming around to the back, y'all, if this truck did not have wheel well liners in it, it would not be nowhere near as clean. So we got Ford wheel well liners in the back. We got an Akins liner also for you. And then of course out back as well to really seal it off. That custom badge out back really makes it look so much more signature. And then a good look at your stance back here. So going, let's give them a good side shot, Jesse, and we'll wrap this thing up. But a good, this vehicle, we don't like a lot of gap between the top of the tire and the fender. So going with this setup is a nice balance between, if you did a 33 by 12.5 via 22, it's just too wide. You'd have a lot of rubbing issues up front. And then we wanted just a little bit more height. So it's only 0.2 inches with the metric tire size, but it just gives us a little more clearance as far as not scrubbing and then closing that gap between the top of the tire and the fender well. So let me get out the way and show you this nice side shot here. So we're leveled on 33.2s if you want to get real deal technical with it, but basically it's a leveled on 33 setup, 22 by 10, a brand new wheel. from Moto Metal. Now this wheel would work on a lifted truck. I think it would be nice for some 35s on like a 4-inch. That would be a really good setup. But this Covert's clean, y'all. I know Jesse likes it a lot too. He kind of had the same thoughts about the wheel when we first saw it. We didn't really know what route to go, but now we've seen it on this white truck. We were going to do black originally too, black on black, but this white with this wheel, it works very well. So no doubt. So a Willies and Akins exclusive, and we appreciate Moto Metal and Brandon at Wheel Pro for hooking us up with this wheel to video and put on one of our Coverts, and we look forward to many more of these for hopefully some of you great customers coming and seeing us if you like this wheel. Let us know in the comments if you do like this wheel and this setup. If you have any more questions, we'd love to answer very promptly as well for you guys. But a Oxford White Covert edition right here at Akins on a cold day. Thanks so much.